So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding how we can actually set up Tailwind CSS and start using their classes. So for that actually we need to go to their official doc, and there you can go inside the installation by let me just go to the home page again. Here you'll see this when you type tailwindcss.com. Here you can go to their docs, and in the installation you'll find different ways to add this Tailwind CSS by adding Tailwind CLI and using post CSS and other methods. For different frameworks, you can also use them. For example, for React, for example, Angular, how you can use them with different type of frameworks. There you will also find different instruction for using with all of them. You can see that. Right now, we'll be using it in normal HTML file. So for that, you can normally use it like a CDN, what we do in normal Bootstrap as well. So you can click on this tab, which is Play CDN. Here you will find this script tag, which will provide you the CDN. You just need to copy this line, this script tag, and then you have to paste that inside your HTML file. I've already created this sample HTML file, and inside the head you can paste this. So the styling is loaded initially, and then after that you can start using the classes, which we'll be understanding in the future video as well. So you can see that initially it is when I added this CDN. After that, the normal heading started showing me like this, which is very smaller. I can give it the styling. For example, I can call the class called text 3XL. Then it will make the text larger. You can see that. I can also call the font bold property, font bold class actually, and it will apply the font weight bold. You can see that. Similarly, I can uh, add any background color, for example, orange and 300. Then that will be added. You can see that. And similarly, I can add padding classes just like P4. We'll be understanding all these classes in the upcoming videos. I'm just showing it for the demo purposes. And I can also give margin for, you can see that it is way faster than that. Although the styling or the classes will be much longer if you want to style, but you can see that it is styling very fast and very quickly, so we can do that. We can also add text white for adding the text white. You see that? And similarly, I can add an underline class for giving it an underline. But if we do this in a normal internal CSS file or a normal style way, we have to write the property name and the value name just like that. That's why it takes longer period of time than adding these classes in Tailwind CSS. So that's why it is the efficient way to use this. And the classes are same in the version 3.0, which I'm going to tell you about. The third version basically. All these classes will be similarly applied to React.js and other frameworks. You don't have to worry about. We'll be just understanding these classes, what they actually do, and then all the classes will be applied similarly, just like we are adding it inside here. But the ways will be different for adding Tailwind CSS, just like we are adding this CDN in normal HTML file. But in React.js, we need to do something else to start with Tailwind CSS. So that's one step you have to know for different framework you are actually working with with Tailwind CSS. So this is it for this video. I hope you understood that how we can set up Tailwind CSS in your HTML project. So in the next video, we'll be understanding some classes. Let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.